Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best hand pallet trucks that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 4, we have the Easy Map Bro Standard Duty Narrow Pallet Jack. This model is tailored for tight spaces thanks to its 21-inch wide forks, which offer excellent maneuverability in narrow aisles. It can lift up to 5,500 pounds, making it suitable for heavy-duty tasks in warehouses and workshops. The leak-proof hydraulic pump ensures reliable operation, while the nylon wheels enhance smoothness and durability during frequent use. The build quality is impressive, featuring alloy steel forks with high yield strength for handling fully loaded pallets. Additionally, Easy Map Bro claims their hydraulic jacks are produced using advanced Japanese machinery, which boosts their service life by 31%. This attention to detail makes it a reliable choice for long-term use. The product also undergoes 3 rounds of quality inspections, ensuring top-notch performance. While its narrow design is a standout feature, it may not be suitable for operations that require standard fork widths. Also, the nylon wheels, while durable, might not offer the same floor protection as polyurethane options. This pallet jack excels in environments where space is tight and precision is crucial. But for broader applications, you might prefer a more versatile design. Overall, it's a specialized tool with solid performance for specific scenarios. At number 3, we've got the Easy Bro Standard Duty Pallet Jack by Generic. This model offers a solid 5,500-pound load capacity and standard 27-inch wide forks, making it compatible with 99% of common pallets. It's designed with usability in mind, featuring a durable hydraulic pump that's leak-proof and built to last. PU wheels provide smooth and floor-safe maneuverability, making it a fantastic option for warehouses with delicate flooring. The build quality is robust, with alloy steel construction that ensures strength and reliability. Generic emphasizes a rigorous manufacturing process, including 120 production steps and triple quality inspections, which adds a layer of confidence to its durability. The ergonomic design of the handle and the smooth lifting mechanism make it comfortable for workers of varying physical strength to operate. However, while it delivers reliability and standard functionality, it's not packed with standout features. For instance, it lacks specialized components like narrow forks or twin-pack productivity enhancements. This pallet jack is ideal for general-purpose use and provides excellent performance for its price point. But if you're looking for something innovative or tailored, you might want to consider other options. Still, it's a dependable tool for most warehouse operations. Taking the second spot on our list is the 5 seconds manual pallet jack 2-pack. What sets this product apart is its value proposition. It comes as a set of 2 pallet jacks, making it ideal for operations that require multiple zones or simultaneous use. Each jack boasts a 5,500-pound load capacity and standard 27-inch by 48 forks, ensuring compatibility with most pallet types. Whether they're wood, plastic, or metal, the build quality is top-notch, featuring reinforced powder-coated steel that resists corrosion and wear. The hydraulic pump is highly efficient, offering smooth lifting and lowering of pallets, which enhances operator safety and reduces physical strain. The PU wheels ensure quiet, floor-safe maneuverability, making these jacks suitable for warehouses with sensitive flooring. This twin-pack design is perfect for fast-paced environments like shipping docks or large stockrooms. One downside is the weight. At 350 pounds each, these pallet jacks are heavier than most competitors, which could be a challenge for transportation. Additionally, the 2-pack might be overkill for smaller operations. However, for businesses that require heavy-duty and multi-zone functionality, this set is hard to beat. Overall, it's a high-value, industrial-grade solution for larger warehouses and commercial setups. Finally, at number 1, we have the Global Industrial Duty Pallet Jack. This product is the epitome of durability and performance. Designed for heavy-duty applications in warehouses, manufacturing facilities, and retail environments, It offers a 5,500-pound load capacity and standard-size forks measuring 27 inches by 48 inches, making it versatile and compatible with most pallets. Its standout feature is the spring-loaded loop handle, which automatically returns to the upright position, eliminating the need for bending down, an ergonomic touch that's great for reducing worker fatigue. The bright yellow powder-coated finish provides excellent visibility and corrosion resistance, while the three-function hand control, raise, neutral, lower, ensures smooth operation. The 190-degree steering arc allows for precise maneuverability, even in tight spaces. And the non-marring load rollers protect floors while gliding effortlessly. While it doesn't come with flashy extras, its reliable performance and thoughtful design make it the best choice for demanding environments. The only potential downside is its weight. At 170 pounds, it's heavier than some competitors. However, this heft contributes to its stability and ruggedness. Overall, the Global Industrial Duty Pallet Jack is the ultimate combination of efficiency, durability, and user-friendly design, making it the top pick for professionals who need the best in class. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.